Hi, this is Vishnu, Mechanical Department, Government Polytechnic Vaddepalli, third semester. My subject is Manufacturing Technology, subject code 305 for C16 and C18 also. So, subject chapter name is Shaper. What is Shaper? First we learn Shaper. In machining, excess metal is removed by cutting tool. Metal is removed from work with the tool moving and work stationary. The work moving and the tool stationary are both the tool and work moving. The shaping machine is used for machining the flat surfaces. The work is held stationary on the table. The tool carried in the tool head reciprocates fast the work with the help of horizontal ram. And other mission is the slaughter mission. Slaughter mission also just relevant to the shaper mission. I will explain. It is similar to shaper, except that in a slaughter the ram holding the tool reciprocates in vertical axis, and it is intended to cut grooves, keyways and slots of various shapes. And other mission is the planar mission also. It is just like as a shaper is a primarily intended to produce flat surfaces. The major differences is that in planar the cutting tool is stationary and table holding the work reciprocates fast in the stationary tool. And objectives explain the construction of a shaper. We will learn in this chapter, and function of each part in a shaper, and list the specification of shaper. These are the very important questions. Construction of shaper, functions of each part, and the specification of shaper. Mainly Telangana board exams asking to number of times for essay figure. Explain the construction of a shaper, and explain the construction of a shaper. Sometimes also only draw a neat sketch of shaper. Sometimes asking. And also functions of each part also very important. Next, the specifications of shaper. First introduction. Having known the working principle, we will now look at the construction details of shaping mission and function of each part, and specification of a shaper. This is the animation figure of shaper mission. Just observe it. And in this mission, main parts: base, inner side mechanism, driving mechanism, ram, lever connected to the ram, and crank, and work table, and workpiece, and cutting tool, and lever. In these parts, in animation figure, it is a ram is forward direction and reverse direction. Forward direction is workpiece is cutting to the cutting, and the reverse direction is a ideal position. Just to observe it. And it is also flat workpieces can be removed to the required depth of material, and main parts of shaping mission shaping mission. First one is the base, column, ram, table, cross rail, tool, and a tool post. And remaining parts is the cross traverse handle, clutch handle, scale indicator, ram clamping nut, graduated collar, tool feed handle, clapper box, tool post, vice, and also in this column one is attached to the red button and the green button. It has a red button and a green button. It is the on off buttons for a mission. And on off button missions. And scale indicator also. Scale indicator means it is a forward direction and backward direction to give measure in the scales. Scales how much long it can be moved and backward, and to adjustment to the workpiece sizes can be cut the material and remove the material also. This is the main parts of shaping mission. First one is the base, column, ram, table, cross rail, saddle, tool head, and clapper box. And construction details of shaper already mission we had seen. This is the base. Table is just like as a box type. Cross rail, tool post, tool head. It is the top position of lever. That lever is the direction to the backward direction. And ram clamp, clutch, column, cross traverse handle. It is the main purpose of table work table. It can be moved from horizontal direction, vertical direction means up and down direction depending on the workpiece sizes. This is the construction details of shaper mission. And first is the parts and functions we learn presently. First one is the base is made of cast iron or grey cast iron. It is mounted rigidly on the floor or on the bench depending upon the size of mission. It supports other parts of mission and also acts as a reservoir for supply of oil, which is circulated to the moving parts of the mission. And column is a vertical mounted on the base. The ram driven mechanism is enclosed in the column. It has a guideways. The guideways accurately ground are provided on its top, on which ram slides. It has a housing driving mechanism of ram in inner side. It is made of cast iron. Generally it is base is mounted on the top position of the base is mounted on the column. And just it is a vertically fixed on the base. Next one is the ram. It has a ram and it is also attached to the tool head. Is attached to the cutting tool and adjustment lever. It carries tool head connected to driving mechanism. It is the main moving part of the shaper, and it carries the tool head that provides cutting action. Cutting action means it is a forward direction and backward direction means a horizontally direction. It can be moved only forward direction to remove the excess material, and return direction is the return direction is ideal position, and it is also connected to driving mechanism contained within the column. And next part is the table just like as a box type. It has a T slots on its top to fix the vise or to clamping the workpieces. And the slots are used to hold the shaper vise for clamping the workpieces. And other part is the cross rail. It is used to move the table vertically and horizontally. Cross rail main purpose, vertically means upward and downward direction movements is controlled by an elevating screw. It is the top position, and left side just it has a just like as a lever type by and horizontal sideways movements with lead screw means it is a just a screw type. It is a long screw and cross feed screw. It is also known as a cross feed screw. Next one is the saddle. In this parts, saddle and cross rail, it is nearly attached to the cross rail and saddle. Saddle is mounted on cross rail and supports the table. It moves across the cross rail from left to right by cross feed screw. Next one is the tool head. Next part is the tool head. The tool head is also attached to the ram, and it is also clapper box attached, and cutting tools also attached. In this figure we can observe mainly cutting tool also important, very important for removing the excess material. Main the tool head. First we learn the tool head is attached to the front end of the ram and can be swelled at any angle. Swelled at any angle means, for example, we can remove the excess material on the workpiece. Some angle means 30 degree, 15 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, etc. Any angle we can adjustment to the tool head with the help of lever. And it can be easily adjusted. And now we see on the top position of the tool post, it has a screw. It is some like aluminum material, aluminum color, not a aluminum material. Material is a MS mild steel or cast iron, mainly. It can be removed nut, and it is adjusted to the required angle. And clapper box, just wait, some few topic we not missed into the just basic shape or operations, that is the different. Okay. Next clapper box. Clapper box. It main parts is the tool post to clapper and head to clapper box. It is also totally assembled figure. This is the assembled figure, and it has a curve slot. Main it is purpose to adjustment to the tool head. It is hinged to the tool head, and the top position of the screw, one screw on the green color box, just head, that is called head. that is position of the top position of head, just a screw. And it is the white color is the clapper box. This clapper box, it has a curve slot, and the screw is adjustment to the required angle to change the angle. And this is the clapper box. This clapper box, and it is also known as a tool block. Okay, tool block is hinged to the tool head. It swings outward on the return stroke so that the cutting tool lifts slightly and clear the work. Just now we observe cutting tool moves forward direction and backward direction. We know this. Firstly, cutting tool is moved from forward direction. It can removing the excess material, and it come backward direction. Cutting tool is not straightly comes. It is lifting. It is lifting. It is lifted to the top. It is lifted to the just supported to the clapper box. Then it is a ideal position comes. Next, the cutting tool is held in the tool post on the clapper box. The action of clapper box. This is the construction details of Shaper mission. This is the construction details of Shaper mission. And first one is the we learn the base, column, ram, table, cross rail, saddle, tool head, and clapper box. This is the main parts, very very important parts, and it can be draw easily figure, and loan is as only this figure means construction details of a Shaper mission is very very important for essay question. And exam times also ask to 5 marks this 50% of marks for only figure. And next topic is specification of shaping mission. Specifications is very very important for any mission. Mainly specifications is must. For example, mobile. For example, nowadays everyone must and should use mobile. Mobile specifications means, for example, RAM, GB, camera, battery backup. These are some specifications of mobiles. And also mission specifications also must. For example, power consumption, to remove the material, which type of model, which type of company, which next how much space occupied in the in the floor. Next, this is the main parts, and which and also how many types of cutting operations how many types of cutting operations in this mission, and and which material it can be removed, which material can be removed in the mission. It is also important for so generally any business or any mission by online or offline, we can know the first specifications. Then we can know the specifications. So the size of shaper is specified by the maximum length of stroke of the ram. Means how much long it can be cut the workpieces, cut the workpieces, small sizes, medium sizes, or heavy sizes. Which type of material it can be removed. We learn first maximum length of stroke of ram. Next is the shaper are designed in a wide range of sizes. Common sizes ranges from 175 to 175 to 900 common sizes. Next is the type of drive. Next it is the power input is type of drive means it is the mainly driving mechanism. It is the type of drive means driving mechanism. In driving mechanism it has a three types of quick return mechanism also. First is one is the crank and slotted lever mechanism, Whitworth quick return mechanism, and hydraulic mechanism. These mechanisms we learn in next class. Don't worry about this one. I will explain each and every part and each every mission. Okay, so presently power consumption also necessary. This time is power bill also high. Some okay. Next the length of stroke. Next floor space required is necessary. How much place occupied in the area. Next weight of the mission means this is different sizes of missions and different weights. Small mission, heavy, medium mission, and heavy mission. It can be different weights of the missions. Cutting to return stroke ratio is very very important for depending production is depending on the cutting strokes mainly. In this cutting strokes in this shaper mission, cutting stroke is forward direction only, and return direction is the ideal position, so it can be comes slowly or speedily depending on the return stroke is very important. And next feeding also very very important. Feeding means it is the depth of material, how much material can be depth of material removed. This is the feed. This is the feed speed and feed speed and feeding mechanism also different mechanism, and that is also different. And feed speed and depth of cut is also very very important. And feed speed and depth of cut means feed means in the shaping is the relevant movement of tool or work in a direction perpendicular to the primary cutting motion, axis of reciprocation of ram per double stroke, and is expressed in mm per stroke. This is the feed. And depth of material is also different, and cutting speed is different, and speed drive and sorry, the length of stroke of ram indicates overall size of the shaper. While ordering a shaper, it is necessary to mention the type of drive, type of speed, reduction, power input to cutting to return stroke ratio, the number and amount of feed, and the floor space required. In this shaper driving mechanism also safer driving mechanism is very important into the this is the types of Creighton mechanisms. First one is the crank and slotted lever mechanism, with what Creighton mechanism and hydraulic mechanism. This mechanism also said these in this missionary in this missionary main specifications is the to minimize the time required for completing the return stroke, means it is a speed ratio. The driving mechanism provides a faster return stroke than the cutting stroke. Cutting stroke is means forward direction, and the return stroke is a ideal position. This is the specifications of Saper mission. In this Saper mission we learn the some topics, all hydraulic mission, next to quick return mechanism. These missions we learn next class. Don't worry about that, I will explain just shortly. No, just now. Sure. Next, frequently asked questions in this Saper chapter. Draw the line diagram of Saper and indicate the parts is very important for essay question, and sometimes ask to the only line diagram of Saper mission, and sometimes only list out the Saper mission parts. And these different types of asking so many times. And give the classification of Saper is very important. Give the classifications, not a classification, it is a specification is very important for the mainly examination, and sometimes also we learn the specifications. It is also useful for competitive examination. For example, ESET exam and board and government job sectors exams also